What's up, guys? Welcome to GoGo Motoring YouTube channel. So in today's quick video, I'm going to show you what happens when the starter in the N52 engine goes bad. So recently I had an issue with my car not turning on. And initially I thought it was the car battery. Here's what happened when I tried to turn the car on. The lights would come on. The air conditioning would come on and you would hear this clicking sound, but the car wouldn't turn on. So this is a good example of that. Here's the sound that it was making when I tried to turn it on. And then whenever I pushed the button, you saw the lights would come on and you would hear the air conditioning, but you couldn't, the car wouldn't start. Watch this. So I ended up checking the battery, and the battery was fine. I actually ended up replacing the battery and the problem still didn't go away. And then I realized that the issue was it was a bad starter. The way we confirmed that is when the car wouldn't start, my mechanic came over. He hit the starter a little bit when I was trying to start the car up, and it fired right back up. So when you replace the starter, here's what it sounds like. So the car fires right back up now that the new starter's been replaced, and that resolved the issue. So if you have a problem with your car not turning on, if the battery is not the issue, it's probably the starter. And hope this video helps. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment below. Subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for more videos. Thank you for watching. Bye.